everybody, today we're going to be looking at a 10 times table, which I know you are fantastic at. We've done loads of this in school in practicing our times tables on Timetable Rock Stars. Hit the button and don't forget you can continue to do that at home, as well as there's also a video here from the White Rose which tells you all about timesing by 10. So let's have a look at this then. How many jars do we have first of all? How many jars do we have? We've got 6 jars, haven't we? And if we've got 10 cookies in each jar, that means we've got to do 6 lots of 10, doesn't it? 6 times 10. So what's 6 times 10? It is 60, isn't it? So we would write that as 6 times 10 equals 60. So there are 60 cookies. Well done if you did that. Let's have a look at these bar models then. So here on our first bar model, we've got the whole as 40. And we've got how many lots of 10? So what would we write as our multiplication sentence here? Pause the video and have a go, and also have a look at the next one, but the whole is missing for the next one. So we've got 4 lots of 10 is 40, because it's 4 times 10 is 40. Remember, we've got 4 boxes, 4 squares, 4 rectangles, whatever you want to call them, and we've got 10 in each of them, so 4 lots of those it makes 40. And this one, there were 7 lots of 10, which we know 7 times 10 is 70, so well done if you did that as well. Eva is 7 years old. Her gran is 10 times older. How old is Eva's gran? Have a little think. You might want to pause the video for this one. I'll read it again. Eva is 7 years old. Her gran is 10 times older. How old is Eva's gran? Pause the video and see if you can work it out. So she's 70 years old, isn't she? Of course, because 7 times 10 is 70. Well worked out if you did that one. Now I want you to draw a bar model to represent 5 times 10. So if we go back to our bar models, so this top one represents 4 times 10. I want you to now do one that represents 5 times 10. So pause the video and draw yourself a bar model to represent 5 times 10. So it should look like this. If I do my bar model, and my lines are not very straight, are they? But it doesn't matter. So I know I've got to have 5 boxes here, okay, like so. And in each of them, I need to write 10. And I'm sure you've done a much better job than Miss Creaser, because it's hard for me to do it with my pen on my computer. It's quite tricky. So I've got 5 lots of 10, and I know 5 times 10 is 50. So hopefully you've got a bar model that looks just like that, but I'm sure yours is much neater. Right, last one then, 10 times tables. Practice your 10 times tables. When you've done this and you've filled in the missing numbers, the answers will come on the screen. So we know 2 times 10 is 20, 70 equals 7 times 10, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 11 is 110, 80 equals 8 times 10, 100 equals 10 times 10, 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 0 is 0, 30 equals 10 times 3, and 9 times 10 equals 90. Well done if you managed to do all of those. So for extra practice, don't forget to head over to Timetable Rockstars. Your username and password was in your very first pack that you got when we first went into lockdown, into home learning. But if you do need it, send me a message on Tapestry. And don't forget, you can also go and hit the button where you can practice your times tables on there. Take care, everybody.